In this video, I'll show you how to sign in Slack on mobile with the QR code. You'll need to note that the option is not available at the moment on Slack. So today you will not be able to do it, but I'll still show you the steps. First of all, just go and open the Slack app on your phone. Of course, you would like to be logged in on your PC as well, so make sure you have that available. Once you are on your phone, just go and click on Get Started here. And here you have the option to sign in with your email, Google or Apple. And at the bottom, it's a little bit small. You have sign in with the or if you're signed in a computer, you can go and continue with the QR code. So if you choose the QR code option, if it's your first time, they will ask you to allow your camera. If you allow it, it will open your camera. Now on your PC, you should find yourself as an example here. Normally on your phone, let me just go back. And they will tell you to go on Slack for desktop and click on the workspace name at the top left, then select sign in to workspace on mobile from the drop down menu. If I go to my PC and if I click here on my name as example, I don't have that. I have only gets in or get the mobile app. And if you click on it, they will show you a QR code, but this will not sign you in the Slack application. So let me just go back to phone. And as you can see right here, if I scan it, nothing happens because this is only to download the application. So there was an option to sign in mobile. Below this gets the mobile app, but it's disappeared for some reason from Slack and it's not available at the moment. So they might enable this feature back soon, but at the moment it's not possible, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. So the only way to sign in is basically using your email or your Google or Apple account if you already have an account with that, or you can just go and create that. Of course, you can also sign in using, or as an example, sign in using the Gulf Slack if you want to, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.